Get monetized on YouTube fast. It's easy. Just follow these steps. Look, you want to get monetized, right? You want to make some money on YouTube. Well, let's think about it. What do you have to do first off? Well, you got to have 1,000 subscribers and you got to have 4,000 hours of watch time. Now that's a lot of time. Okay, that's 4,000 hours is 60 minutes. What is that? That'd be about 240,000 minutes of watch time. So that's asking a lot of people to give you time out of their day to watch your video. So how can you do that? I'm going to cover all of that in this video, and at the end I'm going to give you a bonus. I have a course for you that's absolutely free. It's a $97 value that you can snap up to. So let's jump right into this and let's figure out how you're going to get monetized fast. Okay, let's think about your earnings first off. You know, for years it was a huge secret. How much do YouTubers make? How much does YouTube pay you? And it's pretty much out in the open now how it works, but basically it's based on CPM. So that's a number of views per 1,000. So a CPM can range. It could be $5, it could be, you know, $30, $40, $50. My CPM for this channel is $40, which is a decent amount. You know, I like that $40. That's pretty good. But how much money do I actually make off that? Well, normal AdSense advertising pays out about 68%. So if they're putting an ad on your blog or something like that, you're going to get about 68%. On YouTube they only pay you 55%. So that means, like, on my YouTube channel I have a pretty high CPM. It's at 40 bucks. So out of that 40 bucks I get $22, which is not a bad deal. I mean, they're giving me a free platform and they're advertising on my videos and they're giving me money. It's a pretty good deal. So let's think about it. How can you use the algorithm in your advantage? Now I will tell you this, you cannot trick the algorithm. You're not going to be able to trick YouTube. YouTube is smarter than you. Sorry to tell you this, but they've got a bunch of engineers and smart people that work with computers all day long, and they're going to know more than you. So don't try to trick the algorithm. Don't try to buy subscribers. I see this happen a lot. And when you try to buy subscribers, what happens is, even if it does work, which it doesn't work, but even if you did and you got these subscribers and they just agreed to subscribe, it does you no good, because they don't actually watch your videos. And if they don't actually watch your videos, YouTube looks at that and says, look, they've got all these subscribers, they got 50,000 subscribers, but nobody ever watches a video. They're going to know they're fake, and as soon as they know that, they're going to quit showing your videos to everybody else. So there's no way to trick this. You got to do it correctly. So the step one to do it correctly is to make longer videos. Now this doesn't mean you make a video just to make it long and you just ramble on and on and on, because nobody's going to watch it. It has to be good content. YouTube enjoys videos that are 8 minutes or longer, and the reason they like that is because they make their money off ads, and they can place more ads in an 8-minute video than they can a 2-minute video. So it's like, if you do a 2-minute video and you get 50% watch time, you got 1 minute. If you do an 8-minute video and you get 50% watch time, you get 4 minutes. Obviously the thing to do is make longer videos. Now you don't want to ramble on, and that doesn't mean you can make one video for 6 hours and that will cover it, because nobody's going to watch you for 6 hours, but they may watch you for 15 minutes or 20 minutes or maybe even 30 if it's really good content. I know I watch a lot of cooking and travel videos, and a lot of those videos are 20-30 minutes long. Some of them are even longer, and I'll watch them because they tell a story. They're doing something. So be careful when you make a longer video. If you're not instructing somebody and you're traveling and all that, it makes sense. But if you're instructing somebody, they want to learn something pretty quick. None of my videos really are over, you know, 10 to 14 minutes, something like that. A longer video I do maybe a live, but that's when I'm interacting with people and answering questions for them and that type of thing. But generally a video for me, you know, I can't do a 20-minute instructional video. Most people won't sit through that. Now the next thing you can do that really helps a lot is do instructional videos. This is a step-by-step video that shows somebody how to do something, or basically a how-to video. If you do how-to videos, it's very helpful. So I may do a video on how to build a website. I may do a video on how to build sales pages. I may do a video on how to write emails. I may show a step-by-step process on how to do SEO. All of these things are things that people need and they want, and I know if I do videos like that, I'm going to have a bigger audience. A great thing to do is come up with whatever your idea is, how to make an apple pie, type that into the search bar of YouTube and look at the top how to make apple pie videos. You know, what did they do in those videos? How long are those videos? Can you take one of those videos and make it a little bit better? Can you make it a little bit longer? Can you make it more interesting? Can you do something a little bit more than that video that's out there? But how to and step by step, they're perfect for growing your channel. Next thing is give people a reason to want to watch your entire video. What benefit is it to them to watch your entire video? Maybe you want to have a drawing at the end. Maybe you want to give something away. If you noticed at the beginning of this video, I mentioned I have a course that's $97, and you can get that course if you watch to the end of this. I'll tell you where that course is at, and you can grab that course. So I've given you a reason to actually watch to the end of this video. I see a lot of channels that will do giveaways. I see a lot of channels that will do a shout out to somebody, their name, if they put a comment below, which encourages them to put comments in there. That's something else you can do to grow your channel. YouTube basically wants interaction. They want to see that whatever content you're making, people want, and the way they're going to demonstrate that they want it is that they're going to watch more of it, they're going to comment on it, they're going to subscribe to your channel, they're going to give you a thumbs up and like it, and then YouTube takes all those things and your video and says, hey, these are popular, we're going to show it to more people. Because what they're doing is they're getting people to interact, and that's what we need on our platform, because we run ads and we want people to stay on our platform. The next thing you got to do, you got to have a good thumbnail. So all this talk about having great videos is awesome, but if nobody watches them, it doesn't matter. And how are you going to get people to watch them? Well, one of the things you're going to do, and I'm going to give you something else in just a second, but one of the things you're going to do is you're going to have a good thumbnail. Thumbnails are super important. Those are what people are going to see. Now, there's been a lot of back and forth and talk on what you should put on thumbnails. Should you put words on it? Should you not put words on it? I will tell you this, if you put any words on your thumbnail, which I do, it should only be 2, 3, 4 words max. And the reason being is the majority of YouTube videos are watched on people's iPhones. Okay, I got a phone over here, can't see it, but they're watched on the iPhone. So if I'm scrolling through videos and I see a thumbnail and it's got 20 words on it, I'm not even going to be able to read it. So you're wasting your time. You're actually doing more work than what you need to do. It doesn't need to have any words on it, or if it does have words, just 2 or 3, maybe 4 words max on your thumbnail. That way people can actually read it. Make sure those words stand out and they pop. If you put somebody's face on there, that's been proven to get more clicks, but don't put their face on there from far away. Have their face close up on that thumbnail where the majority, maybe half of the thumbnail is just their face. That will get people to click faster than anything else. And the next thing you want is good titles. The way YouTube works is they bring back videos based on your title, what words are in that title. So you want to get a tool like TubeBuddy, and I will put a link below for TubeBuddy. You can get TubeBuddy absolutely free, and if you want to get the paid version of it, you get a 30% discount if you use my affiliate link. So you got to have something like that. What TubeBuddy will allow you to do is to find titles that people are already searching for. So you shouldn't try to come up with a title that you think is catchy or that you think is cool, because it doesn't matter what you think. What matters is what the market wants. If you cater to what the market wants, you'll get all that you want. Okay, but you have to cater to the market, and the best way to do that is use a tool like TubeBuddy to figure out what people are searching for. It will actually score titles for you and tell you how well it's going to rank before you actually even do that video. Something else that it will do is it will help you with keywords. Now, when somebody types into the search bar of YouTube, they're typing in basic keywords. They're saying how to make an apple pie. So if your video says how to make an apple pie, and the keywords say making apple pies, making cherry pies, making whatever, and a lot of those words match up to what the searches are, your videos are going to come up higher in the rank. So that's what you need TubeBuddy for. You've got to have a tool like this, guys. You can't do this on your own. You're not going to be able to figure out the keywords. And the other thing is, with TubeBuddy, not only does it help you figure out keywords, it gives you suggested keywords to have on your video, and it tells you how well those keywords are going to rank. So you can just look below, grab the keywords that are going to rank high, and put those on your video too. Don't forget to also add these to your channel. A lot of people searching YouTube will search for a particular subject like how to bake pies, and they will sort it by channel, not just the actual recipe. And if they sort it by channel and you don't have keywords on your channel and people can't find your channel, then of course you're going to lose viewers. If they can find your channel, they get to your channel, they click on videos, they can see all the different videos you have all in one spot. Now they're in your house. Okay, they're in your house looking at your channel and nobody else's, so you've got a shot of getting them to watch any number of your videos. If they scroll down and they see, you know, how to barbecue and how to, you know, make cakes or whatever the heck it is they're looking for, and they see a lot of cool thumbnails, they're likely to click on one of those and watch more of your videos, which is exactly what you want them to do so that you can get monetized. And the last part of this, you're not going to want to hear it, but I got to tell you, you got to work really hard. You just you got to work really hard. And when I say really hard, I mean you got to have really good content, obviously, but you got to do it consistently, and you got to do it a lot. So consistency means I'm going to post a video every single Monday. Every single Monday I'm going to post a video. I'm never going to miss Mondays, always going to have that done. Now that can easily be done through scheduling. You can go ahead and post 10 videos and just schedule them all to come out on Mondays. That's a scheduling tool that you have in your YouTube studio. But if you want to be really successful, you come out with a new video every Monday and Tuesday, right? Every Monday and Tuesday new video comes out. But if you want to be really successful, are you seeing what I'm doing here? You could come out with a video every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. The point is, the more content that you put out there, the better the chances of growing your channel faster. I'm now putting out 5 videos a week. I used to put out 5 videos in 5 months, okay, and that didn't work too well. Okay, so if you're thinking I'm gonna put out a video a month and I'm gonna grow my channel, the odds are you probably won't. People now on YouTube, and you might have been able to, you know, 5 or 10 years ago, but now people want consistency and they want a lot of it. You know, I sometimes will go through my subscriptions, and I subscribe to probably about 84 different channels. And why do I subscribe to so many is because not all of them post a video every day, and I want to watch what I call TV every day, and TV to me is YouTube. And when I go there, if they haven't posted in 2 or 3 days, I almost get perturbed. I'm like, I haven't done a video in 3 days. You know, this is irritating. And if somebody hasn't posted for like a week or a month, oftentimes I'll unsubscribe. So if you're not posting on a frequent basis, you're going to lose subscribers. It's like if you were watching a particular TV show and it came out every week, and then all of a sudden it only came out once every 2 weeks or once a month. You'd be like, well, heck with that show, I need stuff to watch, so I'm going to switch over to somebody who is posting more often, to a TV show that is aired more often. So guys, really, if you're going to grow a YouTube channel, it takes a tremendous amount of work. It's a tremendous payoff. It's cool, you get paid for it, that's pretty neat stuff. However, understand that it's going to be a lot of work, and if you want to get to that 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, I would suggest you doing all of these things and working your butt off. Cut out some other things that aren't serving you well. YouTube will serve you well as long as you put forth the effort. Now I hope you got some value out of this video. I hope you're going to try some of these things. As a matter of fact, put in the comment section below if you have tried some of these things, if you're trying these things, what you're going to do. I would love to see that. I did promise you a course. There's a $97 course below. It's absolutely free. You can click and learn, no purchase required. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button down there and ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications. And what that means is once you subscribe, it won't tell you that I did a new video. That doesn't happen that way. You have to turn on this bell notification, and you have to turn on all notifications so that it notifies you every time I upload a video or I actually go live. You want to make sure you do that. And don't forget, for the algorithm, give me a thumbs up, smash that thumbs up down there. I would really appreciate that. I really appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.